Welcome to Nokomis Montessori South. I'm Principal Abby Felber-Smith, and I'm so glad you're here. Nokomis South is a Montessori elementary school located on the east side of St. Paul. Our Montessori certified teachers help students choose their work in carefully prepared environments where students use hands-on materials to practice and understand skills and concepts. Our multi-grade classrooms allow students to stay with the same teacher for 2 or 3 years, which positively impacts their learning environment and student behavior. If you are interested in a proven Montessori education for your child, I hope you will consider joining us at Nokomis Montessori South.